Hello, it's Andrew here at Life on Pig Row, and today it's all about cutting bean poles. Bean poles are, as they say, things for beans to grow up and other climbing plants like clematis and hops. Now, we produce our own bean poles every 3 to 4 years. And the great thing about that is the bean poles that we already have last us 3 to 4 years, and we're constantly renewing that stock. So let's go and look at how we make our own bean poles and how you can do it at home as well. So here we are. This is a coppiced hazel. Coppicing means that when it was a single stem, we cut it hard back to the ground, and over the years the bottom of the tree that was there has got wider and wider and wider, producing more and more of these, well, poles really, and that's what we're going to cut today. So the only tool you need to kind of cut your own bean poles is a pair of loppers. You know, we did this in hedging. We did hedging a few weeks ago. Something that will cut something about a finger thick. So we're going to do that now. So we're going to work our way in. Start here and cut that, and just move it to the side. And again, right to the bottom. Out it comes. So as you can see, I've reduced already. I'm just keeping bringing out stuff. I'm after these ones really. So I go in like that, and there you go. Put that to the side, and I'm going to do all this now, and I'm going to show you what to do with the poles next. As you can see now, I've cut the stump right back down, and all of these will send out more shoots. We'll get a point where I'll remove this and I'll plant some more hazel elsewhere, because it's in the wrong places. It's going to be in the veg garden, so this might be going this year. So what now? I've got these. You can see there's lots of side shoots on it. What am I going to do? Well, this is where you get your other tool, a pair of secateurs, and you start snipping off these side shoots and hit the camera with them. So you go around, and I've got a bag which I'm kneeling on at the moment, and all the little pieces of wood are going to go in there. You've got to choose when it forks like that which shoot to keep, and I'm going to keep this one here because it's firmer. And don't worry if you end up with knobbly bits. Bigger tool, bigger job, because those knobbly bits, the great thing about them is the plants love them. They cling to them. The reason why I like hazel more than bamboo is because, I don't know about you, maybe it's just me, I spent half my life with beans tying them in all the time because they kept slipping off the bamboo, and I'm working my way up. So you can see, snip, 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 snip. I'm going to go up. So, removing all these side shoots, not really caring about the fact that these are knobbly bit, because it gives something for the beans to cling to. Moving up, there you go. Sometimes you can just rub them off when you get further up. Sometimes you can't. And I'm not going to go all the way to the top, because I want bean poles of certain size, and also the further up the top you get, the more it's more likely to break. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to, you see here, cut it at a 45 degree angle, get rid of that top bit, and I have myself a bean pole. Isn't that nice? Isn't that fantastic? So I'm going to do the rest of them, and I'm going to show you what they all look like at the end. And there you are, bean poles. I've cut roughly 20 of these, and I've probably got another 10 left to cut. So it's value for money. It's only taken me half an hour to clean them all up, and I'm going to go put them somewhere safe now, and I'm going to use them this season. Now, some of you may have done this before, and sometimes you'll see green shoots coming out of bean poles even when they're cut at this time of year, because it is a bit late for cutting bean poles. Doesn't matter, they won't root. There's not enough energy in them. They're just pulling up water and setting a few leaves, and sometimes that's quite nice. There's the bean poles stacked outside the greenhouse. and they're over 6 foot, so I can go up to whatever height I want to. Oh, isn't that fantastic? All that's free from nature, and the tree will recover, and in 3 years it will be big and beautiful and coppiced and bouncing back with more poles. So until next time, it's goodbye from me at Life in Progress, and I hope to see you soon. We're every Saturday. Until next time, bye bye.